me go show you outside. I haven't showed you since I arrived, so let me show you what outside look like.
You can see this night.
So how the door close? Oh, it's freezing, you guys. Oh, it's raining. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's raining. It is raining and it is so foggy out. See, our car is right here and it is raining and it's freezing. Let me come out a little bit more to show you guys outside. So, oh my god, it is freezing. But yeah, it's quiet and those are the little cabins around. Or hi fish, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. I am tired. I am tired. But we gotta hit the road. Right now we're all packed and heading off to the mountains. I'm so excited. That snow is going to make me feel like a big kid. My husband can tell you how much I love snow. No, babe? Say hello.
Hi.
Ready to go?
Yeah,
Ready for the drive? How long is
that the way will be fine.
How long is the drive?
About 2:33.
About 2 hours 33. He's exact,
No, I mean
precise.
about 2 hours 33 hours.
Ah!
Not 2 hours 33. About 2 hours 30 or 2 hours between that range.
Okay, so it's between 2 hours 30 to 3 hours, and like babes, I hope the way will be fine. But I am so looking forward to just see the snow along the way. The minute I start seeing that snow, I'm going to be showing all teeth. Island girl that loves snow. Can you imagine? I don't love it to live in it, but I love it to go see it, have fun in it, and get back where I'm going, okay? Away from it. So, just to give you a little rundown, we're heading to the mountains right now at the start of the mountain vacation. We're going with my brother-in-law, his girlfriend, and his their son, and his godson, and then by our side, you guys know Sarah, me, babe, Tyler. So that's going to be everybody. We are staying in different little cabins, but our cabin is not too far from each other, like just a little few meters down from each other. So that's what the vacation is going to be for a week. So we're heading out in about 10-15 minutes to go hit the road. So you guys enjoy the vlogs starting today. White snow. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, and we'll see you guys when we hit the road.
Can I tell you something?
Sarah, come here. Sarah, no, come here. Come here, Sarah. Look, say good morning, Fibs.
Good morning.
How are you? Say it. Use up your words. Tyler, come say hello to Fibs. Hold on, camera not on you. Tyler, turn around. Jules, bonjour.
Hello.
Hello, all right. You guys get the English from Jules today. Hello. So that's a part of the crew. Sorry, it's here watching our tablet. So we're gonna get everything finalized and head out. So we'll see you guys on the way. Doesn't know justice. You guys, we're still on our way heading towards where we're going, and we haven't got there as yet, but we're hoping to reach in one piece. snow. Wow. We are arriving. We're waiting on our in-laws behind us. Just arrived at our cabin. Look at him up there. So I'm just gonna show you guys a quick look of what it's like as I'm discovering with you. So this is the cabin. Outside space, big enough for the fam bam. They have chairs and table out here, and then you enter. Sorry. Hello. Who is that? That's you? Sorry. You guys, it's food time. Food time. Babe went to get us food. Let's see what they bring us. We hungry.
I took this extra one that I didn't tell you because I was sure.
Yeah, but before you hang me up, I was still talking to you. You hang up, I was telling you to take extra because we hungry.
I didn't hang up. I believe you hung up for me.
No, the kids have to share this one. Alright, little miss over there eating. Sarah's having this terrible cold.
It looks like since she vomits, she cough less, no?
Not at all. So Sarah is having chicken and fries, and babe buy this other chicken and fries, and we have panini. Panini is something that we all love. So panini is just a sandwich with cheese, and it's made warm.
Europa 2020. Europa 2020.
Hold on. Go again?
Europa 2020. Panini.
What does that even mean?
I don't know.
When you say Europa 2020.
UEFA Euro 2020. Le match de football.
Okay, panini, because panini is not the sandwich, but panini is a brand. That's
Yes,
the sponsor, is a football sponsor.
He saw that on the TV advertising, must be.
Yeah.
No,
Is the album that you put the sticker?
Yes, exactly.
He's too funny. Alright, our first meal in the hotel. In the cabin.
Not too bad.
It smells good. That's all I know. So where is the show?
I told them that we eat all tonight in our cabin. I'm not gonna go meet them or anything.
Oh no. You guys, we have arrived here about 7 p.m. so you guys can't get to see the beauty of outside. We can't see the beauty of, you know, all the snow and stuff because it's so late in the night. But anyway, we arrived at our little cabin and we are making ourselves at home. Can you tell? Let me show you guys around real quick. Though I kind of start getting comfortable, but I'm gonna show you what the area looks like. So this is the living space where the kids are right now. I have a little couch going on. It's a storage under there. I can't really show you guys right now, but we have some bags and shoes and stuff under there. We have a little eating section. Those are the kids' like a sled for them to slide down the snow in. Tomorrow and all the rest of the days, we have some storage section up there which you can store little fandangles, and then you come to the kitchen space. So we have a little fridge, a nice little fridge which is clean with that freezer up the top, and you can already see that I add some stuff in here. So we have yogurts for breakfast, yogurts for Sarah, and some juice in there. We have a nice little microwave and a little TV, and then we have a stove, 4-burner gas stove, and we have utensils in here. In here we have bowls, and down here we have pots, and in here we have cleaning things that we need to clean, the floors and stuff like that. And of course you have a sink. You have a nice little clean dishwasher. And I already pack out some water and milk and stuff that I bring, medicine for the kids and stuff like that. We have a big dishwasher. And then in here, I already pack out all the snacks and goodies that I bring for ourselves and for the kids. Then in here is just the hot water section. Then I realized that almost everywhere in the house, in the little cabin you see these things to hang jackets, because of course it's in the mountain and it's winter, so you need a lot of these to hang things, and they're right to put up so many of these things around. And then we come here, you have a nice little mirror. Who doesn't like a nice mirror, huh? All right, in here, the bathroom, guys, as you guys can see, we already pack out everything. So what you're seeing is just our personal things that we hanged up and make ourselves at home. But here is the bathroom. We have a sink when you enter, and then you have a nice little shower and nice little storage space. Yes, guys, we pack out everything already. All right, then in here we have the kids room. So we already hanged the kids winter snowing outfits here. What is the correct name for these? I don't really know right now off the tip of my head. So in this room we also had to bring our own bedding from home. So it's recommended that we bring our own sheets and our own pillowcases. So if everything look mismatched, it's because they all belongs to us, but you get the gist. Don't worry about it. We have storage up there for clothes, so we put Tyler all Tyler clothes up there. Originally in this room was 2 beds for the kids. As you guys can see, 1 mattress is here, and the reason why is because we took out the 2nd bed and add Sarah bed that we carry, because we haven't let Sarah start sleeping on this kind of bed as yet. So Tyler have his own little space, and we hang jackets up here. And in this one is little Miss Diva's closet. So we put her little clothes down there and her diapers and stuff like that. She and Tyler have their shoes and towels up there. So this is basically the kids' space. So they both will be sleeping here tonight. All right, let's move on to the next space, which I haven't showed you guys. Let me turn off these lights. All right, next space. Again, we had to bring all our bedding and stuff. So this is our sheet and stuff like that. This sheet is a little bit small for the cover that they gave us, but don't worry, we'll work with it because we don't mind. So we bring our own sheets and our pillowcases, and Babe and I have our clothes packed out in these storage things. And this is the 2nd bed that we took out. We just put it in the corner, making ourselves comfortable, and we hang our outfits here. So this is our space for the next week. Look at these two. What is singing, you two? Say hello, fams. Sarah, say hello, fams.
No one monster song. You know, you want me to sing it?
Wait, say hello to face first. So what one?
Wagwan.
Where are you?
At the top of the mountain.
Sarah, look. Hold on. Sarah, look at Fave. Say hello, Fave. Okay, you wanna sing monster song for Fave?
Yeah.
Okay, you and Sarah. Sarah, sing with Tai Tai.
Changing Amata, changing Amata, changing Amata, changing Amata. A B B C C D D E E F F G G H H I J J K K L L M M N N O O P P Q Q R R S S T T U U V W W X X Y Y Z.
Bravo! He's so proud. Anyway, you guys hear that cough that Sarah have? I've been giving her medicine. She's been having that cough since yesterday. So I have to be remedying her up. I give her some lemon and honey and stuff like that. So hopefully she'll feel better. A lot of things we won't be able to do with her, like going to the pool, because she's having this cough. But hopefully she might be able to go to the pool by the end of the week if she get rid of this cough. But we'll see. We'll make do with what we have. But we're here and we're going to bed right now. So that's the vlog for today. We are here. So tomorrow you guys will definitely be waking up with me in the snow and catching all the adventure for tomorrow. So hopefully you guys enjoy our journey here, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. But first, let me go show you outside. I haven't showed you since I arrived, so let me show you what outside look like.
You can't see this night.
So how the door close? Oh, it's freezing, you guys. Oh, it's raining. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's raining. It is raining and it is so foggy out. See, our car is right here and it is raining and it's freezing. Let me come out a little bit more to show you guys outside. So, oh my god, it is freezing. But yeah, it's quiet, and those are the little cabins around. Our in-laws are down there, their car right here. But yeah, it's freezing and it's raining.
Can have breakfast outside on the table.
In which freezing? When are you gonna have breakfast out here? No, me and you.
We don't need no fridge.
Say hello to the face.
Hi guys.
We don't need no fridge. We're just gonna stock the things in the snow. Anyway, you guys, we're gonna sign out here. So give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch man, keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Look at them.
X, Y, Y.
Hey, hey.